opposite na rin yan at the earlier part of the conference. There you see the block points as described to us by Yos a while ago. A chase for Jaron. Ooh, quite dangerous as our players already hit the boards at the side. Although that's actually one of the purposes of the A boards.
That's right.
Parang sila yung matamaan instead of our gadgets here.
The table, of course.
That's good effort there
by Chris Cross. One service error pa lang on this third set.
Aleko from the back. A lot of power there for Brian.
They need that. Kailangan may mag-step up. Again, for VNS, hindi lang pwedeng si CJ Segi. Of course, that was Aleko's back row hit.
For Jewel. Pangulagnan, back sets. Segi met at the net. Kirk pushes to Brian. And it's a point off the block for Brian Aleko.